Welcome back to Jules Math Tools. In our session today, we are going to be discussing prime factors. And if you're ready to learn about this type of number, let's get started. So before we can discuss what are prime factors, let's review what are prime numbers. So remember that a prime number is a natural number that has only two factors, which is 1 and itself. And these numbers include numbers like 2, 7, 5, 13, and there are many more. And with these type of numbers, the only two numbers that can divide into it without a remainder is 1 and itself. So what are our prime factors then? Our prime factors can be defined as the factors of a number which are all prime numbers. And with these factors, these numbers are usually expressed in expanded form, not in listing form. So let's look at an example to see how this is done. Using the number 24, this number can be expressed as a product of its prime factors using 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And if you multiply these numbers together, you realize that it will give you back the number 24 as its product. So with our prime factors, they can always be multiplied together to give you back the original number that you began with. And these prime factors that we get for 24 can be obtained in two ways. One is using the factor tree. And with the factor tree, this uses a multiplication method where the numbers are split into its factors until only the prime numbers are left. And as you can see, the numbers that are circled are the exact same prime factors that we have for 24. Another method that we can also use is our division ladder. Now with the division ladder, this method uses only division and we only divide by prime numbers only, and there are no remainders in the division ladder. So the number has to divide into it completely or you will have to find another prime number. But if you notice on the left hand side of our division ladder, these numbers are all our prime factors that was originally given to us in 24. So you can see that this is two methods that we can use to express 24 as a product of its prime factors. And these prime factors can all be multiplied together to give you back the original number that you began with. Okay? So there you have it. We just discussed what are prime factors. And remember that prime factors are the factors of a number which are all prime numbers. So make sure that you practice factorizing some more numbers so that you can learn about the prime factors and how to get those prime factors of your numbers by simply practicing. And when you're ready to learn more about other types of numbers, make sure to return back to Jules Math Tools, where we aim to make math and its definitions easy.